In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix a PS5 HDMI port that just isn't working. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. And of course, before we do get into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Now, first things first, make sure your PS5 is completely powered off. You don't want it to be in rest mode. If your console is currently on, press and hold down on the power button until you hear a second beep, which means the system is fully shutting down. And once the PS5 is fully powered off, turn the console around, unplug the HDMI cable, the power cable, and any other cables connecting to the system, and just leave everything unplugged for about 10 to 15 seconds so the console can fully power down. While everything is unplugged, try switching the HDMI cable around, plugging that end into whatever was connected, like your TV or monitor, into the PS5, and the other end into your TV or monitor. You should also try plugging the cable into a different HDMI port on your TV or monitor as well. From here, check both the HDMI ports on your PS5 and your HDMI port on your TV and make sure that there's no dust, no debris, and nothing else blocking the connection. Once everything looks good, plug the cables back in, turn your PS5 on again, and if you change the HDMI port on your TV, make sure you also switch the TV input source to the correct HDMI port. If the screen appears, the issue is likely just a cable or connection problem. That being said, if you're still not getting a signal, you need to enter in safe mode, so completely power off your PS5 again, and then press and hold the power button again until you hear a second beep, which means safe mode is starting up. Once you're in the safe mode screen, and I apologize, you really can't demonstrate this while screen recording. Essentially, you just need to plug the USB cable into your PS5 and then the other end into your controller. Hit the PlayStation button and then go to Change Video Output and select Change Resolution. Try selecting Automatic Resolution first. If that doesn't work, you can return to Safe Mode and try different resolutions like 720p to see if one of them works with your display. Sometimes a resolution mismatch between the PS5 and your TV can cause a black screen. That should fix it for you. Restart your PS5 and you're good to go. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.